Health began administering COVID-19 vaccines to its employees this morning. This is a video of nurse Heather Erdem getting the first dose here in Springfield.
And tonight we're hearing from Nurse Erdem and an MRI technician about getting that shot that holds hope for ending the coronavirus pandemic once and for all. Western Mass News reporter Sarah Gurnelli joins us live with what these frontline healthcare workers have to say about it. Sarah?
Chris, Jordan, it's definitely an exciting day. Both women say that they just wanted to do it to make sure that their family was safe and also in hopes of that COVID-19 numbers would go down.
Cheers erupted on Wednesday after Heather Erdem, a registered nurse at Baystate Medical Center, received the first ever COVID-19 vaccine at the hospital.
We are getting vaccinated to keep the rest of our family who is not in the hospital safe. And that's our primary reason, and to keep everybody else safe so we're not carrying it to other people.
This comes as the ultra-cold Pfizer vaccine, which was delivered on Tuesday, is now being given out to frontline COVID-19 workers. Sarah Mancini, an MRI technologist, got her dose of the shot a short time later at 7:45 on Wednesday.
They administered the vaccine. It was completely painless. I didn't feel anything at all. It was great. And then afterwards, they have you sit and wait for about 15 minutes just to make sure there was no adverse reaction to the vaccine.
Tears filled her eyes thinking about how far we have come since the beginning of the pandemic.
I really have empathy for the doctors, the nurses, all of those who've been in this, since, day one, not knowing in the beginning what was going on, how it was transmitted, all that stuff. Respiratory therapists, even, my colleagues in X-ray, having to go do the portable chest X-ray in the ER on these patients.
She tells Western Mass News she got the vaccine to keep her family safe from the virus after seeing the toll the virus has taken on patients.
When it first started, I was nervous. When the volume of patients went down because they were telling everyone to stay home, I would go help out in the emergency room with the X-ray to go do the portables. And to see these patients that had it struggling to breathe, the fear in their eyes, there's some visions that I can't get out of my head from what I saw.
And now Western Mass News is giving you a first-hand look of the Pfizer vaccine being delivered to Mercy Medical Center not too long ago. Now, coming up tonight at Western Mass News at 6 o'clock, we'll hear from that person who was first in line to get that vaccine. Live from our MGM studios, I'm Sarah Gurnelli for Western Mass News.